this is Duck with Team Nutz. I'm going to show you guys how to install our Team Nutz repo and wizard and then one of our builds. Okay, so first thing you need to do, this is a fresh copy of KodiY Krypton 17. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go up to the cog. You need to go over and down to System Settings, down to Add-ons, over, then down to Unknown Sources. You need to click on that, turn that on, click Yes. Now you're going to go back. You're going to go down to File Manager, down to Add Source. This is highlighted. You're going to go to it where it says none there, and you're going to type http:// team nuts with a Z .xyz / repo. Click OK. I like to come down here and change this star nuts. Click OK. Down OK. So there you go. You see it up there. We're going to go back out to the main menu. Now we're going to go down to add-ons. We're going to click on the add-ons up to the box there. See the little, oop, clicking wrong buttons. There we go. So there we go. Click on that box. Now go down to install from zip file. You'll see that that star with the nuts is there. Click on it. Down to repository teamnuts.zip. Click on that. It's going to take a couple seconds or minutes, whatever, and it's going to download. You'll see right up here, it'll say add-on enabled, Team Nutz repository. Awesome. Now we're going to go up to install from repository. Then we're going to go down to Team Nutz repository. We're going to click on that. Down to program add-ons, Team Nutz wizard, and you'll see down here the install was already highlighted. Go ahead and click enter. And you'll see here it's downloading. Awesome. And then up here it'll say that there's the one that requests add-on enabled for the Python and add-on enabled for Team Nutz Wizard. Alright, so now with the wizard, this comes up twice. You can go ahead and read that. Dismiss, ignore, dismiss, ignore. Alright, so now we're going to go back out to the main menu. Program add-ons. Team Nutz Wizard. Click it. It's brand new, so it might take a second. We'll go back. It should load right up. There we go. Awesome. Okay, so custom builds, save data, maintenance menu, wizard credits, contact us, restore data. All right, so we're going to go to custom builds. That'll load. Here you have Super Krypton, Obelisk, Obelisk version 1.0, Twisted 2.4, Broken Glass for Jarvis, my Vader build for Jarvis, and my kids build for Jarvis. Alright, so now we're going to go and we're going to load a build. So I'm going to load Obelisk. Would you like to run fresh start? Now, if you have another build on your KodiY or you have a bunch of stuff that's going to cause issues, yes, you're going to want a fresh start. You fresh start, what you'll do is you'll fresh start it, it'll go through it, it'll wipe it clean, then you're going to force close KodiY. Once you force close KodiY, restart, you're going to go back to the wizard. It will be there. Go back to the program add-ons, go back to the wizard, back into the add-ons or the builds, and then load your build like we're going to do right now. I'm not going to fresh start, so I click no. It's going to start to download. What it's downloading right now is the zip file. We're downloading the zip file. With the wizard, what it does is it downloads the zip file and then it extracts the zip file. Basically, it extracts all the files out to the build so that it makes KodiY look like what you want it to, okay, or like the build has been programmed to do, okay. While we're waiting for this to download, I want to go ahead and you take a moment to look right here. Brought to you by KodiY Help and Team Nutz. KodiY Help, they're a great group on Facebook, and they also have a YouTube page. You should go over there and give them a subscribe on YouTube, and then go to their group and join. They have a lot of good, useful information on their Facebook group and their YouTube pages. This is their wizard that they made, and we just added our stuff to it. Want to make sure we give them a big shout out, because those guys are real awesome, and they're really helpful too. If you have an issue with something, you can get a hold of one of their admins and they will help you. Usually I wouldn't contact them through the private message of Facebook, but maybe comment on their page. Don't want to really start annoying admins, especially with the ones that know what they're doing. Be kind and just give them a message on their Facebook page first before and ask permission to PM them. But anyways, go ahead and get over there and give them guys a like and what have you. Right now you can see we're extracting the zip file, extracting here, errors, 0. You can see right here, here's your files, that it's downloading and what have you, or extracting, and then, you got your line again about, brought to you by KodiY Help and Team Nutz. So this is almost done, and you'll see once this is done, we're going to get another pop-up screen that says it's done, and it's going to give us the instructions on exactly what we have to do in order to get this to work properly. So we're going to let that finish up, and there it is. So download complete. To ensure all changes are saved, you must now close KodiY. Android users can click OK and it will force close itself. Okay, so OK. All right, so force close KodiY. Boom. Okay, so now I'm going to go here and I'm going to open up KodiY again. And there is obelisk. All right, so that's real awesome. So we go ahead, now we have that on there, and anytime you want to do that, you can always go back to the wizard, whatever build that you use. This is really slick too, by the way. You really got to check this out. If you haven't checked this out, you really got to. This build is just slick looking. But anyways, Team Nutz Facebook page, go in there, join the group. Twisted Hosting Services, go in there, get in the group, subscribe, get yourself some Twisted Hosting Services. We got that $24 deal where you can get the 3 connections, and that's multiple IPs. KodiY Help with their wizard. Make sure you give them guys a big shout out and like and what have you. So this is the Duck, and I'm out.